Hello, today we have a video of the allister msmt300qc electric multi-tool 220-240 volts. It is just a simple video of unboxing the tool. I was using the tool as my floorboards were moving and I needed to add a wedge behind the floorboard touching the wall so the floorboard could not move. Then I had to cut it flush with the floorboard or else my skirting board would not fit on. I am very happy with this tool. For under €50 it is great. I'm very impressed with the quality and the price of allister tools.